Monopoly. Introduction. A monopoly is a market structure in which there is a single supplier of a product. Monopoly is that market structure in which there is only a single supplier of the particular product. There is no other supplier present in the market of that product. The word monopoly is a Latin term. Mono means single, poly means sailor. That is the single sailor. Monopoly means the single sailor. Monopolies exist because of barriers to entry into a market that prevent competition. Monopoly exists when there is barrier to the other firms to enter into the market. That is why it does not create any competition in the market, because of there is absence of the new firm. There is only a single seller present in the market. The monopoly firm, monopolist, may be a small or large, must be the only supplier of the product. That means the monopoly firm has maybe it's small in size. The firm may be in small in size or maybe in large in size. Must be only supplier of the product. The firm must be the only supplier of the product. There will be no other firm will be present in the industry to supply that particular product. There are no close substitutes for the commodity sold by the seller. So there is no close substitutes present. Commodity is present which will be sold by that seller. Only this particular product is present to be sold. For example, Indian Railways. According to the definitions, monopoly is a market situation in which there is a single seller. There are no close substitutes for the commodity it produces, and there are barriers to entry. So monopoly is that market situation in which there is an only single supplier present for that particular product, and there will be no close substitute of that product will present in the market, and there are barriers to entry for that substitute of their product in the market or the new firms in the market. According to Baumol, a pure monopoly is defined as a firm that is also an industry. It is the only supplier of some particular commodity for which there exists no close substitute. So the firm which is related with the industry has its only some particular commodity available for the selling. There will be no other close substitute present in the firm for the sale. There is only one product to be sold. Types of monopoly. Natural monopoly. A monopoly that arises from the economies of scale. The economies of scale arise from natural supply and demand conditions and not from the government actions. So, the economies of scale is only arise due to the natural supply and demand conditions, and not by the regulations or not by the any other actions of the government. Local monopoly. A monopoly that exists in a limited geographic area. The firm which has its own monopoly will create its own geographic area to present there. The geographic area where the firm is located or the firm is selling their product will create its monopoly. Regulated monopoly. Regulated means the regulations. The monopoly firm whose behavior is overseen by the government entity. So the monopoly firm which is regulated by the government or whose working will be overseen by the government entity, any government entity, that is means it is regulated monopoly. Monopoly power. Market power, the power to set prices. So this monopoly power means the monopoly of a firm will have its own power to set up its own price, which will create a monopoly power. Monopolization, an attempt by a firm to dominate a market or become a monopoly. Now, the characteristics of monopoly. There is only a single seller of a product or service in the market. It is given that before that there is only a single seller of the product or service in the market. The goods produced by the sole seller have no close substitute. Now the firm have no other close substitute present in the market, so it is the sole seller. The entry of new firm into the industry is effectively barred by legal or natural barriers. Now the industry has its own industry will effectively barred or legal by the legal or natural barriers to entry of a new firm. So there is only a firm related with that industry will work or will sell the particular product in the market. The firm, being the sole supplier of the product, constitutes industry. Firm and industry thus have single identity. Now, the firm, which is being a sole supplier of the product, constitutes industry. The firm which is related with the industry is the only sole supplier of that particular industry. The firm and industry thus have a single entity. Now the firm which belongs from that particular industry has its own single identity. There is no other firm will be present in the same industry to sell the particular product. Thank you.